Hi guys, so it's me, Alyssa, and
Mom.
okay.
Jenny.
Okay, so basically I'm gonna do a challenge. We're gonna be doing a challenge. Well, I am going to be doing a challenge that I have not seen before on YouTube ever. So I'm gonna be guessing my slimes. Now that sounds weird, but I touch so many slimes that I don't even know which is which, literally. So my mom's gonna be helping me. So she's gonna pass the slimes to me. I already uncapped all of them. She's gonna pass the slimes to me. I'm gonna have on a blindfold, and I'm gonna try to guess which one it is, or if I like, do you want to do if I could get some part of it right? It still counts.
Okay.
Okay. So let's get to it. You gotta do this, cause. I can see no at the same time because I can see through this too.
Okay, so double see-through.
Yes, double see through. Okay. Okay, this is not gonna work. We're back. After that, drama.
Okay, you should put it in from this way.
Yeah, use the arms. Like fold it.
No, just put your arm in. See?
We're back again.
That right.
What is wrong
Okay.
with me?
Alright.
I'm so crazy. Okay. No, my sleeves. Okay, whatever. Okay, so where's the camera?
Could you see?
I can only see the camera because of the bright light. And I smell perfume. I smell my hair. Okay. You're definitely gonna have to help me. And I can only see bright lights. So I cannot see my slime at all. Okay, go.
Okay, well, I'll just give you them.
Yes, like you have to be quiet though.
There you go.
You're not quiet. Pick another one. Pick another one. You're not quiet. You gotta just place it gently, quietly.
What my pink slime looks like outside of the container and closely. Well, close up.
Help me. Make me go into it, not touch it. Okay. Guys, help me. Okay, I recognize the sound. Wait. Got you. This is some type of flarp. I don't know what color though. Is it? I don't know. Flarp.
Mhm.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know what? Ew. Ew. Ew.
What?
My hair went in your teeth.
Okay. Next.
This is what my orange slime looks like outside of its container and close up.
Help. I know what this one is. It's the other flarp. The sticky one. Why did you do this to me? I forgot that one was sticky.
Really?
Yes. Okay. Next.
My grape slime looks like, and this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like close up.
Oh God. I don't know which one this is. There's so many that feel like this one. I know it's in the little container, right? Right?
Obviously.
Okay. Oh my God. I'm gonna fail. I'm gonna fail. Guys, help me please. Wait. The stretching counts. Is it a clear slime?
No.
It's a purple one. I knew it. I knew it because I know how they.
Are you supposed to be like, okay.
What? They feel the same. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got
My
this.
cotton candy slime looks like. Well, blue cotton candy slime looks like. And this is also what it looks like up close.
I got this. Okay, I know what this one is. Wait. No, I don't. Wait!
Mm-hmm. I mean, of course you know. You know that it's in a bigger container.
Yeah!
Yeah.
I know the containers. Maybe you should dump them out. Dump it out. And of course she's loud.
What my clear slime looks like. And this is what it looks like when it is outside of its container and close up.
I don't know. See, this made it so much harder. I don't even know. Wait. I know this texture. I know how it feels. This is some type of clear slime, right?
You know what I'm saying?
But
Yeah.
But what kind? What container is it? What container is it? It's not small. It's in the cookies one.
Mm-hmm.
Save it
Okay.
there. The bigger slimes is what I'm so worried about because I cannot tell which is which.
Okay, go ahead.
This is what my blue slime looks like. And this is what it looks like up close. Or closely.
Oh, honey, I know this one. This is... Wait. No, there's two that feel like this. Wait, no. Wait. This is the one with the blue sparkles.
Okay.
Does it have blue sparkles? Did it clear slime blue circles?
No.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
No, it isn't.
It's not.
No, it
That's why I was trying to. Ah! You dumb.
I should have smelled it. I forgot that one feels like that too. There's 3 that feel the same. Oh, I just smelled it. Okay.
What my ocean slime looks like up close. And
This is the clear one. No, wait. Wait. This is the blue one again. I don't touch you.
Oh, really?
No.
Okay.
Is this the clear one with sparkles?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I didn't get it
You didn't get it right?
right. No, I did not.
You said it was sparkles. It got sparkles in it.
I meant the blue one. It was
You didn't say
sparkles.
blue one.
I meant the one with the blue sparkles in it. Oh
That
my
one.
gosh.
That one's next. I mean, that one's coming up shortly.
You're not supposed to talk.
Okay, good.
is what my water slime looks like and looks like up close or closely.
So talkative. That one. This is the one with the blue sparkles. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'm warning you. Be
Just-
careful. Hopefully you don't have warm hands because some of it is sticky and some of it is not. Do not move my phone.
Could you go?
I moved. Did you do something to my phone?
No.
Okay. I got. Oh. I'm so glad I didn't see that.
This is what my galaxy sign looks like, and this is what it looks like up close.
Okay, this is so nice because both of them feel like this, and literally it's like I'm literally trapped in here by. Can you stop?
This is what my spearmint gum slime looks like, and what it looks like up close.
Okay, I get it. What is this? Is it the same one? No, just tell me that it's the same one.
Which one is it? Which one are you doing?
No, is it the, like? Are they both the same time? Like, is the bigger
I
one?
don't know.
No, because if I mix them, I promise you, you're gonna give me more slime. Because if I mix,
Don't mix them.
that means they're different.
No, that means just don't mix them.
Okay. Wait. This one is the green one. This one is the blue one.
Yep.
Yay! Huh?
You saw them.
No, I did not.
You cheater.
I did not. I swear.
Cheater.
Wait, I can really tell, but then I was like, wait, they kind of feel the same. That was hard. I don't even know how many points I got. Wait, let me. Sorry, slimes. My mother had to touch you. Sorry.
Really?
Okay, back to what I was saying. So, I got a point on this one and this one. I got a point on those two. I got a point on these two. So, 4 points so far. Failed. Got. Failed. Got. And got. I failed. These 3 are my favorites. So I failed 2 out of my favorites. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I got 7 points out of 10. 10. If you knew more about slime than I would, you would be sad right now because a girl that knows a lot about slime just cannot figure out her own slimes. That is sad. So at this point, I am a loser at some point. When it comes to beating my mom and stuff, I'm a winner. Anyway, so, Mom. So,
Sorry, Lisa, I'm tired.
I'm tired. Okay, so hopefully you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel and I don't know when this is gonna be posted because new intro coming up soon. Yay. When? That is up to her because
What do you mean?
you're the camera lady.
Oh, God.
You forgot? I can't do this alone. Maybe tomorrow, but I'm sorry. I did not post on the first day of October because I was busy.
On the first day of Christmas,
My true love
my
gave
true love gave to me.
No, it's on the, oh yeah.
I don't know, but I wish I knew that song.
Christmas, I true love gave to me. It doesn't start on 1. No. Wait, hold on. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. 5 something, 4 something, no wait,
No.
10 something, 9 something.
No, it's not a countdown.
Yes, yes.
Toe ring.
No, and a new something under the, like a new toy under, new toy under the tree. Something like that. I'm gonna learn that song. Alright. You know the hard part? Figuring out what cap each one. Okay, so, thank you guys for watching.
Gang. Mild.
That's not even how you do it.
I don't know.
This is you doing it. Okay. This is gang. Gang.
Gang.
Why did I say it like that? Okay. Anyway, thank you. Comment down below if you guys like Pepsi or Coke. If you guys like Coke, I don't really care. But if you guys like Pepsi, yay.
Sorry, not sorry.
Baby, I'm sorry.
Not sorry.
Baby, I'm sorry. Okay. Man, this is a 12-minute video. Whatever. I'll make it longer.
All the editing you that you're gonna have to take out.
I'll make it a lot longer.
Why make it a lot longer?
Like, it's gonna be longer with my intro and with my outro.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe if you want to see more videos of me. Comment down below if you want to see videos. Comment down below. Okay, comment down below if you guys want to see me doing videos of slime smoothies. Now, let me tell you, that will not be in a very long time because I do not like mixing slimes. If I mix a slime, or if any of my family members mix a slime, they're making me another one. All I gotta say. She's not. Yeah. So, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Comment down below which slime is your favorite. You've all seen them. And, yeah, so, later. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and please make sure to like and subscribe so you can see more videos of me and my beautiful mother. And like we always say,
Peace, love, and applesauce.
No. As we always say, 1, 2, 3. Will.
What?
1 second. 1, 2, 3. We say.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3. And we'll be back with more videos. And that was a stupid edit. Okay.
I still see your shadow